In today's video, I'm going to show you an impressive desktop app that lets you run any AI model locally while chatting directly with your documents because apparently asking your PDFs deep questions is now a thing. This isn't just another random AI project. It's called AnythingLLM, built by Mintplex Labs, and it's fully open source under the MIT license. The best part? The desktop version is completely free, which already makes it stand out from the endless wave of AI tools that demand your credit card before showing you what they can do. Here's what makes it special. You can upload almost any file type PDFs, Word docs, CSVs, even full code bases, and start chatting with them using any AI model you choose. Whether it's local models, OpenAI, Claude, or Anthropic, anything LLM supports them all. There's no vendor lock in, no forced subscriptions, total flexibility. And get this, by default, everything runs locally. That means your documents never leave your computer, your chats aren't sent to remote servers, and your data stays private. There is optional telemetry, but you can disable it with one click, which feels revolutionary in itself. Setup is straightforward, no coding needed. Just download, install, pick your model, and start chatting. It even includes built in support for local LLMs, so you don't have to bother with complex installations. For teams, it offers multi user support, admin controls, and even white labeling. The project's GitHub is actively maintained, with thousands of stars and frequent updates. The few issues reported are mostly small installation quirks or feature requests, all signs of a healthy, evolving project. Their hosted team version starts at $50 per month, which is pretty fair compared to most enterprise AI tools. But for individual users, the free desktop app has everything you'll need with no hidden limits. There's even a community hub with extensions, custom agents, and slash comments, helping build a real ecosystem around useful AI, not just another fancy GPT wrapper. So, do you actually need this? If you're already happy using ChatGPT Plus and only upload documents occasionally, maybe not. But if you value data privacy, model flexibility, or team collaboration without depending on cloud AI, this might be exactly what you're looking for. With its clean interface, transparent privacy approach, and fair pricing, Anything LLM stands out in a market crowded with overpriced, overhyped AI apps. If you've been searching for a reliable way to chat with your documents locally without endless subscriptions, this tool is worth checking out. Thank you for watching this video.